Hi. So working on previous video where I was trying to figure out multiple date formats that we have and is there a way to extract them. Initially I was using date finder, which is one of the Python package that that does the job, but the catch is it it doesn't matches with the format that I want. um, B, I don't know, it from the past few weeks it was losing its reliability factor because few of the dates which were supposed to be detected by that package, it stopped working, and that is it. That was a red flag for me, and so I came up with an idea to create one for myself. So I've divided the entire package into three levels. First will be, which is done now, that we have to extract the date. So we have the entire date in it, the day, the month, and the year. Then we will look out for further variations. For example, 10 days after, 10 days before, coming Monday, coming weekend, or anything like that. And then there will be a third level that would be at the code. So by far the first two levels will be integrated in the package, um, the Python package that I'm creating for China, acting as a backend package which will have a lot of functionality in it. All I have to do is use them into my level third, because level 2 we have made China version 1 and China version 2, and I'm working on China version 3, which will be comparatively more advanced than the other two levels. Well, it's self-explanatory, so here we go. So the catch is, I came up with few formats. There are a lot of formats that we can just simply Google and get, but I picked few packages and few patterns to use them, um, because the medium that I'm interacting with Chan is limited. First is chat, and second is speech. Third is the person who is interacting with it, so it's basically me and only me. So that is the reason I can actually reduce my work and keep the format within my own um, generic way that I interact or type date. Also, there are a few API calls and everything that I did thoroughly did a research on that part as well. So I came up with few formats. For example, this is a sentence which has date, year, and everything. So basically, it returns the date, the year, and the month as a dictionary. So all I have to do is do a for loop and extract the value of each date, year, and month. It doesn't matter at what position they are, it will just return the value as is. So that is one thing. I don't have to be dependent on which way I'm getting the format in. I can always reply back accordingly. Also, I can extract the value, whichever value I'm looking for in the sentence. So there are a few variations. For example, this was a little tricky for having RD, ST, or TH, and NT for 20 second or second. So in these cases, also it works fine. There is no obstacle or any problem among the formats. For example, if the dates somehow satisfy for the two format, so we're looking for the only one which has more accurate result. Now there is second thing, as these are reminders, so I have to make sure that the month, in case if I'm getting a date which is 1st of um, January, right? So that will not be taken care of 1st of January 2021, because 1st of January 2021 is gone, right? For example, if I'm giving 01062021, so that will not be considered as 6th of January, it will be considered as 1st of June, because 1st of June is still not there. We are in May and we still have June left, and the 1st June will come, but 6th of January is already gone. Because we're working on reminders, so reminders will never be set it on the past date. 2021 will be validated for the particular year. So we have one function which says date is passed, and it will take care of the entire day. So for example, if I'm going to set any reminder for today, it will make sure that I'm not setting any reminder for 12 a.m. It should be above or after 12:30, almost 15 minutes difference. And that was the whole trick for the reminders setting, right? So it will give you a flag that yes, the date is passed, and if you still want to continue with it, it will give you an option. So the package is not rigid in this case. It will give you a return that yes, this is the date. So yes, it will give old year dates result, no problem in it. But yeah, there will be a flag saying that excuse me, the date is passed. So that is that. Secondly, if there is no date, it's gonna return false, that I didn't find any. So there won't be any dictionary. I can just simply pick the result, and if the result has false on it, we don't have a date in the sentence. So the level 1 is complete, where there are multiple formats, and it does understand if the year is coming or the date is coming and what is the month. It does little calculation at the back end and then return it back. It will be all done on the front end, where I will be working on level 3 of Frashana, where I'm going to put things in a proper way and not just extract the date but understand the dates as well. So this is level 1. We have done the extraction of the date. Level 2 will be manipulating with the dates or the day that we're going to get. There will be one format as well, which is there will be in pair of month and date or month and year. So that format has to be taken care of because it will come with default values. So that will be taken care of. This is level 1. We have done level 1. Now I will pursue level 2, and that would be little funny. Yeah, it will be funny because I'm gonna laugh too much on that.